Hi, happy November. This is Heidi Hackler, functional wellness coach and author at happywelllifestyle.com. Thanks so much for listening to my November Wednesday Wellness newsletter today. As we approach Thanksgiving, I want to take a minute to thank you. I'm super grateful for you subscribing to my newsletters, reading my blog posts, working with me as your health coach, and purchasing my food, mood, and gratitude journal, or vitamins and supplements, or Neal's Yard Remedies products through my links. I greatly appreciate your support of my small women-owned business for almost 10 years. Congratulations, you rock. I'm super proud of you for taking your health into your own hands, too. No one else can do that for you, and it's one of the most important things you can do in your life. Yay, you. And speaking of hands, I'm grateful that I finally completed my Reiki Master Instructor certification on top of my functional medicine schooling. I have been a Reiki Level 3 practitioner for about 10 years, and I'm excited to continue my Reiki Master Instructor training during a 3-month apprenticeship through February 2023. So please stay tuned for more info on my Reiki practice in the new year. And if you're not familiar with Reiki, there are a couple of links to articles in the e-newsletter. One explains the Japanese healing energy Reiki, and the other one is a link to a Harvard University study on the effectiveness of Reiki. So, I have a couple of new recipes to help you celebrate the holidays in style. If you check out my blog, please share them with your family and friends who love good, healthy food too. The first one is a sweet potato soup recipe that I've shared before, and on a cold autumn or winter night, a nice warm soup is the perfect warming food, and this delicious sweet potato soup, passed down from a family friend who lived to be 106, definitely fits the bill. It has been a holiday tradition in our family for years, so I hope you enjoy it as well. And the other one is a coconut vanilla jello cubes for gut health. If you've ever loved finger jello or Knox blocks, these healthy-licious coconut vanilla jello cubes are for you. And if you think of gelatin as being only good for your hair and nails, you're right, but they are also great for health and your joints too. These are a favorite snack in our family, so check them out. If you're new to happywelllifestyle.com, enjoy these recent articles you may have missed. Please leave a comment to share your takeaways, and then share these articles with your friends and family to help them optimize their health as well. What supplements do you really need? Is your appendix really necessary? Kicking insomnia? Mexican sweet potato and black bean salad? And Mediterranean tapenade. That one has been a big hit with a lot of our friends recently. Please be sure to check out my recipe page, happywelllifestyle.com/gf-recipes, where you can find quick, healthy-licious recipe ideas for any meal that are always gluten-free, dairy-free, and egg-free. If you're local to the Puerto Vallarta area, please join me for my in-person workshop, Wellness Secrets to Feel Fantastic Again. The next one is coming up this Saturday, November 26th, from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. at Casa Jardín in Argentina 265, Colonia Cinco de Diciembre. And the next one after that will be on Saturday, December 17th, from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Flying Heart Yoga at Basilio Badillo, 325, 3rd floor, Zona Romantica. And if you're not in the Puerto Vallarta area or able to attend live, I'll also be offering these workshops online in the new year, so please stay tuned for more info on that soon. Is 2023 the year you will finally feel fantastic again? It's not uncommon to blame our aches and pains, fatigue, brain fog, digestion issues, insomnia, and more on our age. After all, don't we all start to fall apart as we get older? Nope, nope, nope. Those are actually not signs of aging. Those are signs that your body is out of balance, and very often those symptoms can be reversed without medication. That's what I help my clients to do. Peel back the layers of the onion to find the root causes of what's really ailing them to reverse or mitigate their health concerns. Would you love to start the new year with increased energy, better sleep, less weight, no more gas or bloating, fewer aches or pains, kissing heartburn goodbye for good, and feeling fantastic again? If so, I would love to chat with you. Book a free 30-minute discovery call with me at happywelllifestyle.com/book-a-call and discover at least one thing that may be standing in the way of your feeling fantastic right now. And be sure to read the New York Times article, "We Could All Use a Health Coach," link in the e-newsletter, if you haven't read that yet. Woohoo! Neal's Yard Remedies Black Friday pre-sale is on now through Thursday with lots of holiday surprises in store for you. There are over 250 items on sale, so something for everyone on your list. And don't forget to gift yourself while you're shopping. All orders over $50 will receive a free mystery gift valued at least $36. And save on all your NYR organic favorites, including holiday gift collections. You can shop my store at us.nyrorganic.com/shop/Heidi Hackler. And as always, if your order will be over $200 in retail value, please call me at 206-683-6045 to place your order and earn 30 or more in free products of your choice. Neal's Yard Remedies products are always sustainable, ethically grown, sourced, and toxic-free. So stock up today, and thank you for helping to support my small women-owned business. Let's connect. Please follow me on Instagram at HappyWellLife, or check out my daily stories for optimal health, wellness, and beauty tips. And wishing you a wonderful Thanksgiving wherever you are. P.S. With the holidays just around the corner, you can shop ethically, sustainably, and healthy and save money at the same time. Many thanks for your continued support of my small business. I truly appreciate you. Please visit my website at happywelllifestyle.com and check out the Shop tab for my special offers. I have personally selected these items for you because they are ethical, sustainable, organic, and/or fair trade and help make the planet a better place to live. Thank you for leaving a smaller footprint and for shopping my affiliate links. Your purchases help to offset the cost of my blog so I can continue offering this free information. Namaste and happy holidays.